this solidarity movement in support of Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. This support, this solidarity is for the rescue of Nigeria democracy. It's for the protection of Nigeria democracy. And you agree with me that every successful democratic setting have the sanctity, have the image of the judicial system protected. And the democracy, the system must be hinged or anchored on respect for the rule of law. A few days ago we were here. We were here in reaction to some attacks from all manners of destructive statements or vituperation against the institution of INEC, because the leadership of INEC, in their wisdom and in compliance in respect for the rule of law, have decided to heed the court injunctions, and consequently the illegal leadership of ADC in person of David Mark, Senator David Mark, the like of Aregbesola, and all of them have been deleted from the portal of INEC. And we realized that yesterday, a few days ago, that they have mobilized some of their unconscious attack dogs or elements who do not like the security or protection of our democracy. To worst it all, these men, who faceless individuals, refer to themselves as the youth wing of the ADC, and therefore issued a 48 hours ultimatum to the chairman of INEC, Professor George Abuja. And swiftly, we are here to make a very bold statement that the solidarity for INEC and the leadership of INEC continues. That we are sensitive, we are conscious, and we are on ground. That we continue to support INEC, we continue to solidarize with INEC, and we continue to protect that institution. It is based on credibility. It is based on the reputation. It is based on the record, the track record of Professor George Amubiton, that he has been appointed into one of the most important institutions in our democratic setting, INEC, an independent.